Hello, hello, happy Funky Friday. Oh my goddesses. Now, today I'm back with another dance tutorial. I'm doing this inverted commas because today I'm gonna be doing something a little more gentle, a little bit more slow. As the moon has waxes and wanes, I am now on the next cycle of my PMS. So I'm going to be selfish again today. I am going to be sharing with you something that will help me in my own PMS. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that I use to help with the severe pain I get every single month, which is primarily focused on my lower back and on my tum-tum, my mummy tummy. So for those of you, there's lots of women in this world today who, like me, as we get older, our period pains get more painful and it gets stronger. You may not always want to go the drugs way, taking lots of pain medication, which you perfectly fine to do. I try to limit both of them, so I take a bit of painkiller, maybe 500 milligrams of paracetamol, and I just try to chill out, and I do some gentle manipulation of my hips, on my tummy, on my lower back. So that is what I will be sharing with you today. So keep watching and I'll show you what I do to help me with my pain. So as I mentioned earlier, when I have my period, I tend to get a lot of pain in my tummy. I do get a bit of bloating and a lot of cramps, and also pain in my lower back, and just to kind of like further up my spine, and also in my hips. I feel like I'm pregnant again, or I'm about to have another baby every single month. I'm in my mid-40s and I still have this pain. Anyway, so here's some gentle exercise. So when you are doing belly darts for PMS and for pain, the goal of it is not to get too vigorous. It's about stretching and manipulating the muscles, because when you get pain, it's the muscles cramping that is actually hurting you. You feel that kind of like undulation in your womb, and the muscles cramping in your lower back. At least it's for me. So I'm going to share with you today, this is how I do it. So when I'm feeling the pain coming, so of course, I look in the mirror, I stand up straight, and I just kind of like stretch my hands up like this, So, and then don't tip your pelvis back, because now you're shortening your lower back, and then you're gonna like squeeze your muscles that way. So you wanna lengthen it. So when I'm stretching this way, actually, so what I'm doing is now I'm tilting my pelvis forward, right? I'm doing this and just squeezing, and I actually even doing this, squeezing my tummy up like this, squeezing, so that the back is completely stretched out, right? So I'm just kind of like doing this. I'm moving my hip forward, and then I'm just doing gentle manipulation like this, right, with my hips back. So I'm going to move further back for you to see. So doing this, stretching my hips to the back, right, and then pushing it back, and then to the side again, back, and I'm kind of like making a half circle with my bum, right? So from the side you can see I'm doing this. So I'm going to the right, stretch left, stretch right, stretch left. There you go, can you see? And gentle stretch. Another way for me to kind of like really stretch up the lower back and not feel that pain is to, again, tuck my pelvis in and bend. So while my pelvis is tucked in, I'm bending my body forward and I'm stretching out. This is your basic stretching exercise, right? But the difference in the belly goddess way is, while you're stretching forward, you are moving your hips side to side. Oh, I can just hear a crack. There you go. Okay, you are just wiggling your lower back very gently, side to side. Okay, and now the other way is, same thing, is to do the big hip circle this way. And then as I move forward, I'm squeezing my abdominal muscles. I'm squeezing it in without holding your breath, right? So I can breathe and squeeze, right? A lot of my students think that when you have to do all this movement, they think, I gotta suck it in. Don't suck it in. Don't hold your breath. All right? So again, another option is now to go to the side and stretch sideways and undulate. Undulate, stretch, stretch, stretch. To the side, push your pelvis out. I'm gonna go here. Push your pelvis back out again. Stretch your hands out this way and undulate. So you're stretching sideways. Undulate, undulate, and I can feel the stretch from this side all the way up here. Undulation, undulation and undulation, and forward. Very easy, very gentle. It's all about moving your body gently. So another option is I'm just gonna bend my knee slightly and I'm just gonna swing my hips side to side with my pelvis slightly tucked in. So I'm just swing my pelvis, relax this way, right? Swinging my pelvis side to side. So I'm moving the camera further back. So now you can see I'm just swinging my hips. I'm lifting up my knees as if I'm like a soldier, right? I'm marching on the spot with my pelvis tucked in, right? I'm marching side to side and I'm just swinging my hips, pushing it out, pushing it out, pushing it out. That's it. And I can feel my muscles relaxing and I'm feeling a little bit more tired, but that's good because now when you are tired, your muscles get more relaxed and then you can just sit on your chair, on your sofa and just read a book and just forget that you're having PMS, right? And stretch and relax. So here you go, simple moves. Stretching on the back, right? Like this, okay? Side stretches and undulation, side stretches and marching side to side, swinging your hips. And you can also do this. There you go. Simple tips and tricks to help you with your PMS pains. As usual, at the end of this video, I'm doing a little gentle dance with a little piece of music my husband has put together. And if you like it, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click like, give me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me. I love you. This has been the Goddess Style channel. I'm Annie Rosa Crow, your goddess therapist. Bye.